Children, I have been a teacher in the municipal higher secondary school from the year 1949 till 1983. For 4 years, I worked as a teacher. For 11 years, I was headmaster of the same school. I have been in Cheran for the past 36 years. I have been in Cheran as advisor. I used to go around the classes interacting with the children as well as to teachers. I used to tell them about the importance of English. I have also taken many classes in English. Even today, at the age of 96, I take classes. I take online classes. Today, I was lucky enough to teach English online for more than 1 hour. It is my view that Indians should be proficient in English. They must master the English language. We have had very eminent men, particularly in the subject of English. Our great leaders, freedom fighters, politicians and scientists have been very good in English. So, I always take interest in teaching the children English in a simple manner. Today, I have taken an hour to teach English online. Children, I should like to conclude with a famous poem by Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. This is a wonderful poem by Dr. Rabindranath Tagore. During the Indian Constituent Assembly meeting, there was a discussion as to what poem they had to select to be the national anthem. First, they selected this poem. But later on, they thought that Janagana Managana Jege is better than this. So they selected that poem instead of this. I would request all the children to learn this poem by heart and understand the meaning, how Indians should be. Indians should be strong and fearless. They should be highly educated, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Indian நாடு ஜாதி மத இன மொழி வேறுபாட்டினால் துண்டு துண்டாக பிரிந்து விடக்கூடாது. Where words come out from the depth of truth. நாம் சொல்லுகின்ற ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தையும் உண்மையின் அடித்தளத்திலிருந்து வர வேண்டும். Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. ஓயாத உழைப்பின் மூலமாக நாட்டை முன்னிட்டு கொண்டு வர வேண்டும். where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Indian நாடு into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. That is, அவன் சொல்றது இந்திய நாடு பகுத்தறிவின் மூலமாக முன்னுக்கு வர வேணும். ஜாதி மத இன வேறுபாட்டினால் அல்ல அப்படிங்கிற சொல்கிறாங்க. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, into that heaven of freedom, my father, Mr. Devarajan and some of the teachers were very helpful in helping me to teach. I am sure the two students of Cheran, Punnam Chatram, will fare very well. They will be very good students. They will have a very bright future, very prospective future. I am sure. I wish them all long life, good health, and all prosperity. Thank you.